Here are the 20 funniest and craziest doorbell camera videos ever. If you didn't know, a doorbell camera is a small CCTV security camera by your front door that starts recording when someone is moving in front of it. Today, we will take a look at the best doorbell camera footage ever captured. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel with notifications. Now, let's begin. The first time you meet your girlfriend's parents should probably not look like this.
Hey, Paula. Hey, awesome. Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Matthew.
While porch pirating, this kid got caught red-handed.
Camera recording.
I was just joking.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hello, hi. Are y'all home? Okay. Bye.
I think that whistle sound will stick with him for a long time.
Camera recording.
This family installed their new doorbell camera just in time to capture this crazy moment.
Oh my God!
When a family's packages were getting stolen almost every time, they had to set up a doorbell camera, which led to this funny moment of their neighbor caught red-handed. When this kid's brother tried to lock him outside, his ninja moves got into action. This family got an unexpected notification about some rowdy visitors. This woman was headed out for a nice calming walk until this guy showed up. Watch this dog enjoy his first snow experience. These homeowners put up this flag of a Disney character, and their Karen neighbor did not like it.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I want to talk about this Tigger's flag.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay, why not?
Now, I thought the American flag was real nice.
Uh-huh.
I don't say nothing about the shrubbery being cut. I don't say nothing about the backyard. But now, I don't like that.
Oh, okay, I didn't hang that. My brother hung that.
Well, I know. I'm just telling you, I don't like it. And we have rules. I won't have to go find out what they are, but I don't like that.
I mean, this isn't a homeowners association, though.
No, but there's rules for the community. There is called Williamsburg something, and there's rules.
All right.
It makes it look tacky.
Welcome.
Makes the neighborhood look attractive.
It doesn't, but that's okay.
Huh?
I said it doesn't, but it's okay. You're allowed your opinion.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna find out about it.
All right. Well, you have a good day.
These guys took trick or treat a little too seriously. I wonder what this guy told his boss when this happened. This man traveled to his favorite fast food restaurant during a snowstorm, only to find out that they were closed.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Poor man, he must have been very hungry. When this mother was proudly recording the ding-dong sound of their new doorbell camera, the dad just couldn't resist making a classical dad joke.
Or hear this. You serious? Are you serious? That should be recorded too. I'm gonna put you on blast.
Check out this creepy guy licking the doorbell outside a random house. Here's a really cool video of a slow-moving meteor caught on a doorbell camera. This moment may not be crazy, but it's very wholesome, showing a delivery driver leaving a message of well wishes to new parents.
If this is the It's a Boy house who had I forget the name of the bird. I hope all is going well with your newborn. I had a child around the same time you guys did, and I just hope everything is going good. God bless, happy holidays.
Who should you blame for this chaos? Which of these clips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel with notifications. Goodbye.